Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are covering one of the most dramatic and controversial figures in the entertainment industry, Brent Corrigan. His journey includes controversy, legal battles, tragedy, and an incredible redemption arc. From entering the industry underage to getting caught in a real life murder case to becoming a respected actor and advocate, Brent's story is unlike anything you have ever heard. Also, if you want to support the channel, check out my t-shirt store. Your support means a lot. Let's dive into the rise, fall, and comeback of Brent Corrigan. Born as Sean Paul Lockhart in 1986, Brent grew up passionate about acting and performing, but the path he took into the spotlight turned out far darker than he expected. At just 17, Sean entered the industry with fake ID and became famous almost instantly. But the truth eventually came out: he was underage, and the studio he worked for knowingly used him. This sparked one of the biggest scandals the industry had ever seen. As the scandal exploded, Brent tried to reclaim his stage name, leading to a heated legal battle. Things took a horrifying turn in 2007 when his former producer was murdered by two men connected to the dispute. Brent was questioned but never charged. However, the tragedy left a permanent impact on him. After turning 18, Brent restarted his career legally and began distancing himself from the controversy. Determined to follow his true passion, he started training seriously in acting and focused on rebuilding his image. Brent eventually moved into mainstream films and LGBTQ cinema. His biggest moment came with the 2016 movie King Cobra, based on his own story, which brought his past back into the public spotlight, but this time on his own terms. Brent now uses his platform to talk about performers' safety and the dangers faced by young people in the industry. His painful experiences turned him into a strong advocate for legal protections and performer rights. And that's the short but powerful story of Brent Corrigan. From controversy and tragedy to growth and redemption. What part of his journey shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories. Thanks for watching.